Thank you. That's actually very sweet.
Hi guys, so this is just the continuation of what we were reading kanina. Page lang pala. Page 236 na tayo. So, kwentuhan lang tayo. Ano ba yan? Kwentuhan lang tayo ng saglit. So, lately, I've been doing some legal matters. Diba? Tapos, the delay, it keeps on delaying. And, na-realize ko ngayon lang na pagdating ko, kanina, kasi umaga na ngayon. Kanina, when I just got home, I realized that it is Saturn retrograde. Okay? So, you know how retrograde works. Diba? Delays, glitches, and all of those kind of shit. Diba? Ang dami-daming aberya. There are a lot of revisions and the things that you have to check triple, just so you are doing things correctly. Diba? So, diba, may mga, yung retrograde, it's like a season. So, nasa season tayo ng gano'n.
Hello,
so,
billionaire. Ano ba mag-charge ka na?
You don't really need to rush things. Ako naman, hindi naman, nung una, nisip ko, I have to rush things kasi, I'm so impatient. I'm a saggy. So, I want things to get done para wala na akong isipin. And I can do creative shit like this. Diba? But na-realize ko, it was so smooth. The transaction is so smooth. Although, it's not easy. What I'm doing right now, it's not easy. But, it went well. I believe it went well and we just need to comply some things before we even get started. I'm giving them graceful. Mahaba na yung period na nabigay ko, but kasi they have to do I already told them what they need to do in order for them to get their license to operate. So, yan. Nung una, ang kulit-kulit pa ni Sir. But eventually, nag-given na siya kasi I'm explaining everything in details. And it's not only me. Siyempre yung nag-visit din, the one who inspect. Diba? So, magaling lang talaga yung, communication skills ko. Especially in those kind of setups, like one-on-one, where we are just few. They have few employees. So, ayun. I think it went well. Hindi ko lang gusto yung, transportation for today kasi it sucks. But anyway, something good happened. So, okay lang naman. So, ayan. Continue na tayo. Dami nating ka-etchusan sa buhay. Maulan pala, guys. Ang dami kong nakikitang videos. Sa aking newsfeed. It's not... Some humans are not really doing well on their own. So, I hope and pray that you are safe. Yun na lang. And I hope this is not the time to quit, Especially ito, ang dami talagang, kasi nga, retrograde nga siya. So, marami kang kailangan pagbayaran. For the past few months, if you're not really doing, if you have values that are not really in the way of the universe. Nagigets nyo ba? Basta ganun, guys. Going back. Human creativity generally follows a similar path, perhaps indicating a kind of organic vitality to the creation of anything. Ideas do not come us out of nowhere. Diba? Pag iniisip mo, oh, bigla na lang may pumapasok sa utak mo. No! It's a fucking download, guys. Gets? It's not, hindi lang siya like nag-slip sa utak mo. You are, so, kumbaga guys, in easier term, more layman's term, you are in a state or in a frequency where you're receiving those downloads that is for you. Kasi nga, you are currently vibrating on those, on a frequency where you have to receive those downloads. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta lang, para siya, radio station, you know, you gotta be tuned in. You gotta tune in. So, instead, we come upon, wait lang So, instead, we come upon something by accident. In the case of Graham, a radio announcement that he hears or questions from the audience after a lecture, if you are experienced enough and the moment is ripe, this accidental encounter will spark some interesting associations and ideas in us. In looking at the particular materials we can work with, we suddenly see another way to use them. All along the way, contingencies pop up that reveal different paths we can take. And if they are promising, we follow them, not sure of where they will lead. Instead of a straight line development from idea to fruition, the creative process is more like the crooked branching of a tree. The lesson is simple. What constitutes true creativity is the openness and adaptability of our spirit. We see or experience something, we must be able to look at it from several angles, to see other possibilities beyond the obvious ones. We imagine that the objects around us can be used and co-opted for different purposes. We do not hold on to our original idea out of sheer stubbornness or because our ego is tied up with its brightness. Ayan. Instead, we move with presence itself. We move with that presents itself to us in the moment, exploring and exploiting different branches and contingencies. We thus manage to turn feathers into flying material. The difference then is not in some initial creative power of the brain, but in how we look at the world and the fluidity with which we can reframe what we see. Creativity and adaptability are inseparable. So, we have here, number 8. You have to follow, guys, ha? Sana pinapanood yung mga previous videos ko. Although, hindi siya masyadong, yung siguro the past 6 months, nagmamadali ako and all, but, you know, that is life. Lagi akong busy, guys. Ngayon pa lang ako nakakahinga ng ng, alam mo yon, consciously breathing. So, yung past few months, sobrang toxic talaga. So, ako kasi yung type, yung parang, you know, I'm doing my work and I'm kind of like an expert with it. On how you do it, on how you communicate, especially kasi ang daming pasyente nga. Right? I always deliver. So, kapag hindi nila nagagawa, or kapag ayoko mabagal, alam mo yun, ayoko mabagal, ayoko nang may pasyente. So, I wanted to finish it right away. So, syempre, kapag medyo mabagal yung flow, binibilisan ko. So, sino ba yung overwork? Diba ako? So, yung ganong ugali, kaya hindi ako pwedeng, hindi ako, dapat, I know that the job, I know it's never equal naman eh. Pero, sana naman maximize nyo din yung potential nyo. Kasi ako, sobrang maximize yung mind, heart, body, and soul ko doon sa job na yun. And, I don't like it kasi it's not serving me at all. Hindi siya, basta, hindi siya, Paano ko masabi? Hindi equal give and take. I mean, I'm exploited. But it's okay. It's okay. It's in the past now. So, continue na tayo sa pagbabasa. Number 8, dimensional thinking. Okay? So, makinig kayo guys. Okay? Makinig kayo sa akin kasi I'm pretty sure I'm the only one who is, I'm the only one who have, the time of our life to read for you guys. Kasi, di ba, yung mga magulang yun, hindi na nagbabasa ngayon. Busy na sila maghanap ng, money or doing business, di ba? Making more money or multiplying their money, di ba? Or yung iba nasa survival mode. So, ako na lang talaga nagbabasa dito. Ako na lang nagtsatsaga sa inyo. Kaya, dapat, ang gagawin nyo, mag-subscribe kayo sa akin. Okay? Just mag-comment kayo ng wala lang. Mala kayo. Basta yun. Subscribe lang kayo dito sa channel ko. Para, diba? Nakikita nyo ako. Tapos kayo na, ko yung mga, nyo, buhay. Na i-elevate. Yan. So, in 1798, Napoleon Bonaparte invaded ano ba yung nangyari sa dila ko? Pati itong Mercury retrograde na utal-utal na tayo. Saturn retrograde. Invaded Egypt in an attempt to transform it into a colony. But the invasion bogged down as the British, seeking to block the French, became involved. A year later, as the war dragged on, a soldier working on the reinforcement of a French fort near the town of Rosetta dug into the ground and hit a rock. In extracting the rock, he discovered that it was some kind of relic from ancient Egypt, a slab of basalt covered in writing. Napoleon had been motivated to invade Egypt partially by his intense curiosity for all things Egyptian, and had taken along with his troops French scientists and the historians to help analyze the relics he hoped to find. In looking at the slab of basalt, I don't know, paano ba pronunciation? I don't even know this. Itong basalt. This came to be known as the Rosetta Stone. Ayan, stone pala siya. The French savants grew excited. It contained texts written out in 3 different scripts. I don't like how I deliver. Hindi siya masyadong clear for me ngayon. Like, what is wrong? Different scripts on the top: Egyptian hieroglyphs. In the middle, what is known as Demotic. Demotic is the language and script of the common people of ancient Egypt. Okay? So, yun yung nyo mamaya. Post-test. Demotic, guys, So, yun. And on the bottom, ancient Greek. In translating the ancient Greek, they discovered that the text was a mundane proclamation celebrating the reign of Ptolemy V. So at the end of the text, however, it stated that the proclamation was to be written out in 3 versions, meaning that the content was the same in the Demotic and hieroglyphic. Yan, cut na natin. Tapos na, guys. So, yan, nakapag-chika naman tayo ngayon. And, yun nga, yun lang, kung walang nag-guide sa inyo, like, try to guide yourself. Kasi, you have your inner, all of us have intuition, diba? So, what you need to do with it is to take care of your gut feeling, diba? And in order to do that, you have to take care of yourself para mas tune in ka sa mga bagay-bagay. And the people out there is, our external world. Maliban dito, kasi syempre tayo, nasa online world tayo right now. So, yung external world natin is so different. It is so different. That's why I want you all to take care of yourself. Diba? Para hindi kayo easily persuaded by those kind of people. They're not good. A lot of there. Sana hindi kayo makatagpo ng mga ganong type of humans, sometimes demons. Thank you guys for listening, and thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation.